You don't need a fancy pizza oven. The best pizza comes off the grill. It is the closest thing to getting that hot brick oven pizza because you can get that grill a lot hotter than you can get your oven. All you need is some pizza dough and your favorite toppings. I made this pizza from scratch. It's super flavorful. This is one of our top recipes, and here's how I did it. Start by pouring warm water into a bowl, add in a pinch of sugar and a packet of yeast. Once the yeast is ready, mix in flour, olive oil, and salt. Stir it until it pulls from the sides of the bowl. Then I'm gonna turn it onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 minutes. Ain't gonna lie, it is a little bit of a workout. Once it's smooth, I'm gonna put some oil in a bowl, set it in, cover it, and let it rise for about an hour. Give it a punch down. I'm gonna add in a little bit of minced garlic and fresh basil. When this cooks up on that grill, you're gonna smell it, it's gonna be good. Cover it and then let it rise again. Then it's ready for the grill. So I'm gonna punch it down and divide it into 2. Just gonna work it with your hands to form 2 oblong shapes. We are going to help create that crispy crust with oil. So I have flavored this oil with minced garlic. I'm gonna brush this on the grill grates so that our dough doesn't stick. I'm gonna grill one side, flip it over, top it, and then it'll be perfect. Our grill is on fire. That gets hotter than your oven. You'll know it's ready to flip when it starts to like bubble up all over the surface. Before you flip it, brush the crust so it doesn't stick on the other side. Now that we flipped, give it a little brush and get to topping. You can top it however you like. I'm of course going with some store-bought sauce. Gotta have pepperoni, little red onion. I like to go in with a little bit of cheese and then more cheese. You see tomatoes, some black olives, and more cheese. I'm gonna close the lid for a second, let that cheese melt. These come together so fast. This is the perfect thing to do for a summer party. Have your dough made in advance, have your toppings laid out, let everyone make their own pizza. 5 minutes, they can eat. Oh yeah, gooey, melty, and crispy crusty. Fresh basil leaves. That's what I'm talking about. You don't need a fancy pizza oven when you've got a grill. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Don't be scared of the high heat and don't rush the process because this is what it's all about. Break out the cold beer, baby.